Hey guys, I wanted to do a little lesson on the value of coins since this is what you are working on in math today. So we are learning the values of pennies and nickels. So this is a penny. A penny you can tell because it's a different color than the rest of the coins. This is the one side. This is the other side. Sometimes the other side looks a little different, so I'll show you another side of those later. But when we have a penny, that is worth 1 cent. Okay, and here we have a nickel. This is what a nickel looks like. And this is the other side. A nickel is a little bit thicker, so that's one way to tell it. And it is a little bit bigger than a penny size-wise. It is worth 5 cents. So when we are trying to figure out how much money we have counting with nickels and penny, one of the things I first like to do here, so I have 1 nickel and 2 pennies, is I like to kind of line my coins up in a way, and I have just a little area here, but I like to kind of line them up so that I have the coin worth the most, which is my nickel because it's 5, and then my pennies. And then what we can do is we can write down underneath, we have 5 cents, we have 1 cent, and we have 1 cent. So when I count, I'm going to count 5 and then count up by 1. So 5, 6, 7. So right here, I have 7 cents. Okay, and then here's the other side of what sometimes you'll see on a penny. So there's where you go. So it doesn't matter which side we have facing up. It's the same thing. It's 7 cents. Now, I could also have 7 pennies, and that would be the same thing as 7 cents. Because each penny would be 7, or each penny would be 1 cent. So if I had 7 of them, that would be 7 cents. So on this side, I have 2 nickels and I have 2 pennies. So what I want to do is I'm going to put kind of my 2 pennies together and my 2 nickels together. And then I'm going to remind myself that I have 5 cents. I have 5 cents. And then I have 1 cent. And I have 1 cent. So when we count our nickels, if we have more than one, all we're going to do is count by 5s. So I'm going to go 5, 10. So I'm going to actually write a 10 down here to help remind me, kind of cross that off. That with 5 was to remind me how much it's worth, and now I know it's 10. So I have 5, 10. Now I count by 1s. So 10, 11, 12. And my total here would be 12 cents. Okay. Hopefully this helps you guys a little bit. I will also include a hundreds chart to help you with counting these.